Hey guys, Bob Dickey here, coming to you from the Bonvera home office in Knoxville, Tennessee, and today is a really special day. I'm excited to talk about our latest product launch for the entire Bonvera community, our entrepreneurs and our customers. Now you know how passionate I am about our Kitano products and our partnership with Thrive Coffee and also Foundations for Farming and Crown Financial Ministries. These are some of our greatest products that we have that are doing not only good for our families and communities here within the United States, but also doing good for entrepreneurs and business people around the world. Our latest product launch is with Kitano, and this is it right here. Kitano Moringa Plus. This is pure Moringa powder that you guys can use, that all of us can use within a whole host of recipes. Now, one of the things that I've really loved, this is actually the first product that I started using with Moringa. We actually brought this back when I was with Crown. We brought a bunch of this pure, organically grown Moringa powder back from Zimbabwe, and we had big bags of it in the office. And what I started to do is we started figuring out all sorts of great recipes to use this powder for. And one of my favorites is starting my day with a green breakfast smoothie or a green breakfast shake. I mean, a lot of you, I'm sure you've seen that you can go out to like a smoothie bar or various places, and you can put kale and spinach. One of my favorite things to do is put spinach, some avocado, and I'll put a big scoop of the Moringa powder in on top of it, a little lemon juice and some ice and a few other little things, and mix that up for a breakfast smoothie. It's just tons and tons of great nutrients for me as I start my day. That's what I fell in love with. That's what we started using this with. So there's all sorts of recipes, however, that you can use Moringa powder in. And one of the things that we did when we started launching this, I went over and I talked to the folks at Crown. I said, guys, we're about ready to launch this. I want to make sure that our Bonvera entrepreneurs know how they can use the Moringa powder. Let's get some of our best recipes that you guys have been utilizing and taste testing on over the last year or so, and let's put it together in a recipe book, a little cookbook for our Bonvera entrepreneurs. So when you go to the Bonvera website today to purchase this, there's actually going to be a downloadable document, and it's going to talk a little bit about Kitano and the Moringa recipes, a little bit about the program, but one of the things that you guys are going to find, there's a whole bunch of great recipes in here that you're going to be able to use. Everything from guacamole to artichoke and spinach dip, pre-workout energy bars. My favorite are the smoothies. I got two awesome smoothies in here, a chunky monkey smoothie, a tropical smoothie, where there's all sorts of pasta sauces, various things, and we'll continue to update this, but these are some of our favorite recipes, and you can actually download this free recipe book when you're purchasing this product right there on our website. Now let me tell you, I know I've shared this with you guys when I've been on stage, and I've been talking all about our project and our partnership with Crown Financial Ministries and Foundations for Farming in Africa, but let me tell you why I'm really excited about this product. And yet, I've told you, it's Moringa, it's the miracle tree. They've nicknamed this centuries ago the miracle tree. And this is used all over the world. It's just now coming to the United States over the last number of years. I learned about it from a Wall Street Journal article. There was an article in the Wall Street Journal talking about the new superfoods, the new craze that's coming and hitting the globe. And kale that hit the world by storm not too long ago. And they're saying Moringa is the new superfood that's kind of hitting the market by storm. And just recently, Kellogg, the big food manufacturer, Kellogg made a pretty big investment, and they're trying to create, and they are creating some Moringa-based products that they're bringing to market. Well, we're already there. We're launching ours. We've been launching ours, and this is the newest one. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Moringa and it being a miracle tree. Here are some really interesting facts about Moringa. People use it for their skin. It improves your skin care, it improves your hair, it improves your energy, it increases circulation, it has tons of antioxidants. It truly is a miracle type of food. Here's some other interesting facts. It has 2 times, gram for gram, it has 2 times the protein of yogurt. It has 4 times the vitamin A of carrots. It has 3 times the potassium of bananas, has 4 times the calcium of milk, and this is unbelievable. We all know how vitamin C is an important part of our life and our diet. Our mothers told us, I gotta get our vitamin C so we don't get a cold. It has 7 times the vitamin C of an orange, gram for gram. So this is just unbelievable. So this product right here, if you use it every single day, it really helps you live a great healthy lifestyle, improve the quality of your life, I believe, by helping you become a healthier person, adding all sorts of energy and all sorts of great benefits within our diet. So this product right here, it's $17.95, 11 BV. It's on our website now. I hope you guys use it. Not only is it going to make you feel good, make you look good, help you live a healthier lifestyle, but you're doing good in communities, not only here within the United States, but also communities all over the world, especially our partners there in Africa. I love you guys. Look forward to seeing you at the June NTE. We'll have more updates and more exciting things to be talking about there. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.